YouTube, what's good? It's Khalil the Mechanic, back with another video. I decided I want to do something new, so I was doing a lot of videos on the GXP, which I haven't had for like going on 3 months now because the differential blew. It's been sitting at Continental Transmission. First it was they were having a hard time finding that part for the 5.3 GXP model. Then it was, we realized we have to drop the tranny to change it. We can't just take it out to the side, so blah, blah, blah. By the end of the week, heard that like 3 weeks in a row. So I decided I'm gonna start doing videos for the truck, my own 2012 Yukon, because I've done a couple things to it and I figured people would be interested in seeing it. So today's video is gonna be for that right there. I don't know if you can see that picture right there, but that is the Morimoto headlights that they make for the 07 through 14 Yukon. They're like a factory style headlight with a projector. Seen nothing but good reviews from them, which I would hope so, and they better be, because these headlights are like almost $1,000. They're like 900 and some change. 1,000 after shipping though, either way. And I've been waiting for these to come in, but as we can see, my truck is not out here because my sister took it to work because her GXP right there has been having starting issues, battery issues. So gonna get a battery later today or so, get it thrown in. That way she doesn't have to use my truck and we can do that. But I'm about to go get my truck on the hoverboard. Got this a couple years ago for Christmas and never ride it. So I figured this is my chance to ride it. So let's go get the Yukon and get these lights installed. There goes my baby. Oh, how good it feels to call you my girl. All right, so I'm back. I got the truck here with me. So about to take these not ugly stock headlights out, because I actually do like the stock headlights. Like, it's definitely a nice look. Like I would honestly say, as far as just this whole appearance, I actually like this a little more almost than the Morimoto. Like, I don't know, like, it's just this look fits the vehicle more than that look fits it. It still look good, but whatever. We'll see how it looks on mine. But this is stuff we don't care about. Just looking at it here, even with the blue plastic wrap, this thing definitely looks very nice. I seen somebody posting this one group on Facebook saying to, like, right after buying these, immediately get them. I forgot what the word was, but it was something with putting a clear protective coating over this, because I guess this clear plastic here isn't really the best quality. So this here is our plug for the headlight, of course. This is for the daytime runner, and this little thing they've got taped up here, this is for that side marker here, because everything in here is built in. The only thing you'll ever have to swap out is your blinker, which is down here. I'm gonna take the stuff off the old headlight and get it swapped over. Okay, that came off fairly easy. Plug it all up into this. I'm gonna set it down for this. All right, so I ended up pulling the truck in here because the rain just wouldn't stop. But I just played around with this because all the harnesses fit in the same spot, so I just had to flip them around a bit. But I got this one lit up, so I'm about to go ahead and install that one. But here is what we're looking at so far. And I will say I am definitely pleased. One, for the simple fact, well, you know what? Let's wait on a review. Let's finish this up. Okay, so it was right. So I just learned with this. Don't be alarmed if you plug things in as you go and it doesn't work. Everything has to be plugged up together in order for it to work. So that's where we're at right now. I'm gonna go ahead and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and get this all put back together, and then we'll go for a quick appearance review, and then later on tonight I'm gonna do a performance review. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is how they look installed on a pearl white Yukon. I'm definitely pleased with them. They look great. When I was pulling out and looking at the wall back here, I did see that the beams have to be adjusted. One was higher than the other, so I'm gonna wait till nighttime to do that. But as for the appearance, I'm definitely satisfied. They look good. I feel like now I need to black out the grills because got a little bit of black and chrome going on here, but in the back with the tail, let's go around this way. We've got the smoked Cadillac style lights in the back, so I feel like it would only be right to also black out the front, maybe even a chrome delete, even though I'm not really a big hater for chrome. Like, a lot of people do not like chrome nowadays, but I definitely like it, as long as it's not too much, or at least on the right color vehicle. But it's just my opinion. But anyways, I'm about to pause this video for now and wait till it get dark out, and we'll do the nighttime review. All right, so it's pretty dark outside. Well, all the way dark now. So I got the truck running. I'm about to go ahead and head over to my garage so we can align these headlights and then go for a real drive and test the real output as far as exactly where it should be. So once we get there and get them aligned, I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. All right, so I end up not having to take the bumper off because I just took top clips off and the 2 top screws for the headlight, and I was able to move it around enough to where I can get to the little adjuster thing. So the way I got it set up right now, my truck is 25 feet away from the wall that we're gonna be shining this beam off of and measuring with. So what we're looking for is, with 25 feet from truck to wall, our projector actually didn't measure yet. We have to get the height from the ground up to here, and on the wall it should measure out to be the same thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this garage door and turn the lights on and start measuring. All right, so our projector is 38 inches off the ground. So the beam on the wall has to be 38 inches off the ground. All right, so I got the passenger side headlight at 38 inches off the ground at the garage. So now this is the easier part. I just got to match the driver's side up, and nobody has to stand there to measure for me. All right, so I've got the headlights aligned now, and I would definitely say I am 100% pleased with them. The high beam isn't really the greatest, but that's not really so important to me, being that I live in the inner city and we have a lot of street lights. But even for, say, a back road like this one where it's kind of dark, the output is definitely great. So I would definitely say, if you buy these headlights, align them before you go to judge them, because that is definitely gonna play a big role. I'll actually show you the high beam. So this is the high beam right here. You see, it's not the greatest. Like, you know, I've seen some cars, you turn the high beams on, and it's like a football stadium behind you lighting up. But yeah, overall they're definitely a good headlight. So to answer my own question, are they worth $1,000? I would say they definitely are, because you're paying for a custom retrofit. You're not just paying for some Spider branded headlights that come with a shitty square projector and a daytime running light. Although they may look cool, the performance of those other branded headlights they just don't meet the standards. You can get the same type of output with a bright LED or HID and a halogen housing, but with that you're also blinding other drivers. That's the whole point of projectors. Like, if you look over in this area here where you see that line going across, that's what projectors do. They're designed to keep the lights on the road and off of oncoming drivers. So for the best with doing that, you want the brightest output and no obstruction to other drivers. Morimoto is definitely the headlight that you'll be looking for. So other than that, I definitely give these things 5 stars. So if you found this review helpful and you like this video, then definitely drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos on the Yukon. Peace out.